In an Excel formula, there's a limit to how long a text string can be, and if you try to go beyond that, Excel will stop you. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. In older versions of Excel, the limit was 255 characters for a text string within a formula. So this cell, I've got in double quotes, this string ending with ABC. As long as it's 255 characters or fewer, everything's fine. In newer versions of Excel, like the one I'm using, the new limit is 4,095 characters within a text string in a formula. So that's what I've got here. I'm right at the limit. If I try to add one more character in this text string, Excel will let me know that it's a problem. So I'll just type a letter. When I press enter, Excel gives me a message that says, I'm limited to 4,095 characters, but I could use the concatenate function or the ampersand to join some text strings together. So I'll click OK, and in the formula, I'll click Escape. And now instead of trying to squeeze another character into this text string that's already at its limit, I'm going to take Excel's advice and create a new text string in this same cell. I'll type another double quote and a letter and a double quote. And to join these strings together, I'll use the ampersand. So now we're over that limit, but it's in two separate strings, neither of which is above the limit. When I press enter, everything's fine. I don't get that error message. So you probably won't run into that too often, but if you do, create multiple strings if you need them within the same formula.